Welcome to How to Code a Game in Scratch. Now, if you're a beginner, then this is the perfect podcast for you. Let's get started. First of all, if you have seen Scratch games, then you would see the code inside of the project. You will drop your jaw. For example, this game. This game called Turtle includes 1,000,000 pieces of code. But what if I told you that you don't need 1,000,000 pieces of code? Thanks to Chaos for this project. It's pretty simple actually, but first let's get to know more about it. This is the Scratch homepage. It displays featured projects, featured studios, which are basically groups with projects, and also what everyone loves to remix. There is also a place to learn about stuff, or you can either listen to my podcast. This is called the Scratch Wiki. It's basically Wikipedia, but about Scratch. In Scratch, you can make your own blocks. Here's a quick visualization of my blocks. A photo will best explain my blocks. There's a person called Griffpatch who makes absolutely amazing projects. An inspiration for you if you want to make big projects. A game you might know called Geometry Dash can be made in Scratch like this. Thanks to Jeremy School 07 for this project. Other stuff like animations can take like 10 days or more. It looks easy, but it's hard to do. Thanks to Milo the Fox for this project. My popular project is this game called Draw. It includes an erase button, volume setting for the music, and a rating. Now let's make a game like this. It's quite simple. First step, make sprites. It could be anything, but use 3 different items. Second step, duplicate all the sprites 3 times. This is to make more items to collect. Third step, make a variable called score. This is to keep track of the score. Fourth step, grab a block saying change score by and choose the score for each one. You can add the score information like this. Choose a background and choose a random sprite to reset score. This random sprite has to be something other than the ones in the game. Then on your sprite, you drag a set score to block and type 0 in the blank. Now you can run it. If it works, then congratulations. You made the best and easiest project to make. If it doesn't work, please debug your code. Debug means to find bugs in your code. Thank you for listening to my podcast.